morning and welcome to my Calor week. Before we get started, we need to get everybody fed. So here we are, first install of the day. It's a 1200 litre tank going in. Right, so that's the install complete. First thing, let's go see what we've got and then we'll get on the road to the first job. Hi there, so here we are at Balmoral Tanks near Rotherham. Come to do an annual inspection on 2 times 2,000 litre tank that are used for refuelling forklift trucks. So that's the 2 annual inspections done at Balmoral Tanks. We're on our lunch now, so we're just having a bit of a wander along Caton Bay. Right, so here we are. We're at the underground install in Knaresborough. Hey, Mally. So that's me done on this job. Tools are away. And today we've got a 2,000 litre underground tank to install, and then we've got a 2,000 litre above ground over there to uplift. The wall end's complete. That's all reconnects up the customer's pipe work. It's all being sanded up the trench, so it's yeah, it's looking good. The old tank that's getting replaced, so we'll get that one out, get the contents transferred, new regulators, and it'll be good to be on site for another 30 years. There we go. So that's the last job on Friday complete, and yeah, looks a lot smarter. So yeah, we'll head home.